Kathy wants to buy 4 kilograms of canary seed. How much will she save by buying the seed in 2 kilogram bags rather than 500 gram bags? Okay, so here we have the prices of the canary seed. We know that a 500 gram bag is $1.60, where a 2 kilogram bag is $5.20. So, since Kathy wants to buy 4 kilos, let's see how much it would cost to buy it with each of the bags. Okay, so if she used 500 gram bags and she wanted to buy 4 kilograms, we need to do 4 kilograms divided by 500 grams to find out how many bags she needs. And dividing that will give you the answer, 8. So, Kathy needs 8 500 gram bags if that's how she's going to go about buying the canary seed. And since each bag costs $1.60, 8 times 160 will tell you how much it costs to use those 500 gram bags. Let's do 8 times 160 up here. Okay, so 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 6 is 48. So we have 8. And 4 being carried over to here. 8 times 1 is, of course, 8. Plus the 4 is 12. So that will cost $12.80 if she uses those 500 gram bags. Let's see what would happen if she used the 2 kilogram bags. Now, we don't even need to do a calculation, but you know that 4 kilos divided by 2 kilos means that she needs 2 bags. And since each of those bags is $5.20, these 2 kilogram bags, since that's what we're now using now, is 2 times $5.20 or $10.40. So, how much will she save by buying the seed in 2 kilo bags? We have to do $12.80 minus $10.40. Let's do that last little thing on the here. $12.80 and then $10.40. 8 minus 4 is 4. Put the decimal point. 2 minus 0 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So what have we got? We've got $2.40. And obviously, that is our answer here, B. $2.40.